Salient provision of flag and heraldic code of the Philippines. A flag is carried as a respected pictures of the nation which is symbolized. Each nation flag has a special way in which it should be displayed and folded. Our national flag is the symbol of our country. It shows our unity as a people. It stands for our high ideals and novel heritage. Therefore, when you show respect for the flag, you also show respect for our country and people. One way to show respect is to handle the flag properly. The Philippine national flag is said to be the primary symbol of the nations. Camaraderie, solidarity, and unity. It is there for the symbol of nationalism and patriotism in our country. And also let us learn more about its history and origin.